Hi, I'm Course 1, Professor of Primary 6 from YUMIN Primary School. For this lesson, we are at ordinary differential equations. In ordinary differential equations, we have many different types of methods, and we'll use examples to show us each of these methods. So, let's take a look at what example we have over here. Meanwhile, I'll copy it down. So this example is y prime minus 4y, and this is equal to e to the power of x. This is the question. Let's think about this question. How can we solve it? Firstly, look at the coefficients. Well, these coefficients, they are just constant coefficients. Okay. Well, are these considered as linear? For these, well, I think they are linear. Since for these parts, they don't have like other operations or other calculations. So yeah, they are linear. But this is not equal to 0. That means this is non-homogeneous. This is the first derivative. You have to be careful of that. This first derivative. Okay. So with all of these, we could start this. Okay, what kind of method would we use? Well, how about that method that we have used last time? Which is, we split it into two different cases to consider. Okay, so this is yg is equal to yh plus yp. So yg is the general solution for the non-homogeneous differential equation. Yh is the general solution for the homogeneous differential equation. This yp, it is, so let's see, you have general solution, and the other type of solution is the particular solution. So this is the particular solution for non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, this first part, let's just take this part as 0. Then we should take this e to the power of x as 0. We just ignore that part. So that means it's like this. We get it's like this. Okay, you can still write out that let. But for sure, for all those times, we have realized e to the power of lambda x, we can simplify those. And this is simple. You get lambda is 4. So you get lambda is 4. That means yh would be this arbitrary constants, then e to the power of 4x. Well, I don't think we have others here, so I'll put this as just c. In the next part, yp. Yp will just use this original, but still we'll make a substitution. So we'll let, what do we let? So let's watch this. Right now here, for the past few lessons, it has been on algebraic. But this right now is in exponential. So how can we get this exponential? Well, this exponential, you differentiate it, still exponential. So that means we get this still from exponential. So what do we put here? here is e to the power of x. Okay, e to the power of x, fine. Then constant or the coefficient we don't know. So just put it as a. Next, first derivative, still the same. So let's put them inside here. This a e to the power of x minus 4a e to the power of x. Well, this is now very simple. So that means a negative 3a would be 1. So a is basically negative 1 over 3. And then we put this back. Yp is negative 1 over 3 e to the power of x. Then the next step, we combine these two together. So yg would be c e to the power of 4x minus 1 over 3 e to the power of x. This is what you get. Next step. Is this right or is it wrong? Let's verify. So let's verify it for this part. I'm going to write this down again. Okay. We have this part. Next, first derivative. Then, what's next? So you get these parts. Then you just sub them back inside. Wait, and here's 4. Okay, let's check. This part cancel out. Next, left, well, yeah, it's right. Okay, so that means this answer is correct. But this one is just like this. It's this simple. But what if we just change the power a little bit? What if we change something else? Well, that will make a huge variety of different types of questions. And for different questions, they might need to use different ways. So what if we just change the power a little bit? We'll see what happens in the next lesson. With these different types of methods. Wait, but can one question use more? Of course. For example, this question, you can try on your own. You can try on your own to use the IF. Okay. So for this question, I'll just end it here. So if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So we'll see you in the next lesson. And thank you for your watching.